Windows Global Support. How to repair and fix hard drive and disk errors. Step 1. In File Explorer, right-click the drive you want to check, and then choose Properties. Step 2. In the Properties window, switch to the Tools tab and then click the Check button. Step 3. In Windows 8 and 10, Windows may inform you that it hasn't found any errors on the drive. You can still perform a manual scan by clicking Scan Drive. Step 4. After Windows scans your drive, if no errors were found, you can just click Close. Call now to get rid of computer problems. Global Phone Support. 1-800-857-2133. Windows Global Support.